Schools provide knowledge and skills for the future. Schools provide knowledge and skills for the future.
Taking notes during a lecture helps with learning. Taking notes during a lecture helps with learning.
Group discussions help improve communication skills. Group discussions help improve communication skills.
Submitting assignments on time is very important. Submitting assignments on time is very important.
Many students feel nervous before their exams. Many students feel nervous before their exams.
University students often live in dormitories. University students often live in dormitories.
Many students get jobs after graduation. Many students get jobs after graduation.
Flashcards are useful for memorizing information. Flashcards are useful for memorizing information.
Many universities use online platforms for teaching. Many universities use online platforms for teaching.
Regular exercise keeps the body and mind strong. Regular exercise keeps the body and mind strong.
Using less plastic is good for the planet. Using less plastic is good for the planet.
Good habits help build a successful life. Good habits help build a successful life.
Respecting others is important in every society. Respecting others is important in every society.
Art helps people express their feelings. Art helps people express their feelings.
Traveling helps you learn about the world. Traveling helps you learn about the world.